The following is from The Science of Poop and Farts, The Smelly Truth About Digestion, written by Alex Wolff. What is constipation? Sometimes you feel like you want to poop, but you just can't. Or doing it might be difficult and need a lot more pushing than normal. When it comes out, the feces is often small, hard, and lumpy. You might have a feeling that not everything came out. These are all signs of constipation. Almost everyone gets constipated at some point in their lives, and it's usually not serious. Constipation is the opposite of diarrhea. Food stays in the intestines for longer than normal, so more water is absorbed, making the poop dry and hard. Constipation has many causes, including a lack of fiber in your diet, insufficient exercise, and anxiety. Even a change of routine, like going on vacation, can cause constipation. Oh no, toilet terrors. When people feel stressed, for example, before a test, they might become constipated. A fear of public bathrooms can cause some people to suppress the urge to poop. Poop chart. The Bristol stool chart was developed to show the different kinds of poop. Poop varies in shape and texture depending on how long it takes food to pass through your intestines. This chart can help doctors diagnose digestive problems. Type 1. Separate hard lumps, very constipated. Type 2. Lumpy and sausage-like, slightly constipated. Type 3. Sausage-like with cracks in the surface, normal. Type 4. A smooth, soft sausage or snake, normal. Type 5. Soft blobs with clear-cut edges, normal. Type 6. Mushy with ragged edges, diarrhea. Type 7. Liquid with no solid pieces, diarrhea. Call a doctor if you see blood in your poop, if you have severe pain when you poop, or if your constipation has lasted for more than 2 weeks. Fabulous fiber. One cause of constipation is not eating enough fiber. Fiber is found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grain cereals. It is bulky and helps food move easily through the intestines. Helpful hint: if you're constipated, drink lots of water, eat more fruit and vegetables, eat prunes, and bran cereal.